If you are watching a long video, you can create some temporary chapters or bookmarks so that returning to that portion will be easy. First, open a media, and then go to Playback, Custom Bookmarks, then Manage. You will get a small window where you can use the Create button to add the current playing location as a bookmark. While playing the video, you can use this Create button to add multiple points as bookmarks. Double-click on the point created to go there, or triple-click on it to rename a checkpoint. The bookmarks are for the current session, in other words, temporary, and when you close VLC, it will be gone. First, you need to change the playlist view. Go to View, then Playlist. Here, you can use the Icecast directory to play radio stations available. If you are a podcast lover, you can subscribe to your favorite podcasts with VLC using RSS feeds. First, on the playlist view of VLC Media Player, go to the Internet section. From there, you can see Podcast as a menu. When you hover over the podcast, you can see a plus sign appears. Click on it. On the dialog box that appear, enter the URL of the podcast feed that you want to subscribe, then click OK. You can see that the particular podcast is added to your list, and all of its recent posts will be listed on the right side. You can convert your video to a fun little jigsaw puzzle using video effects or filters available. First, open a video and select Tools, then Effects and Filters. Go to the video effects and then select Geometry. Now, select the Puzzle Game checkbox and hit Save. To enable interactive zoom, first go to the Tools, then Effects and Filters from the main menu. Head to the Geometry tab in the Video Effects part. Here, enable the checkbox for interactive zoom and hit Save and then Close. You can now see a small portion on top of your video, with a zoom rectangle. Drag and position to the part where you want to zoom. Furthermore, you can use the small slider to adjust the zoom area size. Using VLC, you can add text or icon overlay to a video and later save it permanently to that video. First, play a video and then go to Tools, then Effects and Filters. On the dialog box, go to Video Effects, then Overlay. You can see that the image you provided have been added to the video. To save the overlay permanently to a video, you need to add a filter and convert it. Select Media, then Convert/Save. Select the video file you want to add overlay and then press Convert/Save. On this page, select the output profile and click on its Preferences button. Now, go to the Video section and then the Filter tab. Here, select the checkbox for Logo Video Filter and press the Save button. Now, give a destination file location and name to start converting. This will start converting. Wait for some time as per the duration of the original video. Once conversion is complete, you can view the latest video with the logo overlay applied. First, go to Media, then Convert/Save. On the dialog box, select the video file, to which you want to merge audio, using the Add button. Now, click on the Show More Options checkbox. Next, you need to select the Play Another Media Synchronously checkbox and click on the Browse button. In the next dialog box, select the audio file that you would like to merge, using the Add button. Set the output video profile and then give a destination location and file name. Conversion will start now. Once finished, you will get the merged file. To get started, you need to download the required skins. Link in the description. Once downloaded, go to Tools, then Preferences. On the Preferences page, go to Interface tab and select Use Custom Skins Radio button. The selected skin will be applied when you close and reopen VLC. First, play a video and then head to Tools, then Effects and Filters. Here, in the dialog box, go to Video Effects, then Advanced. You can find various video effects, like mirror, waves, psychedelic, etc. Try those out.